Wondering what a kitchen remodel really costs in Los Angeles for 2026? For a mid-range project, expect to spend between $40,000 and $95,000. Cosmetic updates like new counters and cabinet fronts start around $18,000, while full renovations with layout changes can exceed $100,000. Cabinets are the biggest expense, often making up 30 to 40% of your budget. Moving plumbing or removing walls means permits and sometimes structural engineering, which adds to both cost and timeline. Always get a written, scope-based quote to avoid surprises, and compare at least 3 contractors before making your decision.